Okay guys, let's start now. So yesterday we have started some topic na. Up to which topic we have stopped? The product of two vectors we have seen. No, right? Like up to the point we have seen, that is displacement vector we have seen, right? No, and then the equation we have seen, a force F as magnitude 15 Newton, direction of F is 37 degree from the negative x-axis towards positive x-axis. Next, find the magnitude and direction of a vector 6i minus 8j. So in this question now they are asking about the magnitude. So when they are talking about the magnitude, what I should do is A is equals to, like modulus of A is equals to under root of 6 square plus 8 square, which is nothing but 36 plus 64 is 10. Okay, 10 is the magnitude, but what they are asking, which direction? No. So I positive, this is negative, J is negative in the fourth quadrant. No. So which means southeast. Southeast only. No, this is east and this is south.
Sir, is there a formula for the direction, like tan theta?
Which one, sir?
For direction of
Yes, tan theta is equals to y by x.
y by x.
Yeah, y by x. Okay, understood now? So if they are asking the direction, this is southeast direction, we'll say. Done. Now product of two vectors. So we have seen the vectors multiplying by the scalars now, right now. So now we are seeing two vectors. So when two vectors are multiplied, the resultant will be either resultant will be a scalar or a vector. So when we are multiplying two vector using a dot product, result is a scalar. When we use a two vector to multiply in a cross product, we'll get a vector. So the symbol is like A vector dot B vector will be equals to, okay, we'll get scalar, okay, and A vector cross B vector will be equals to, we'll get a vector, and the results are like AB cos theta and this is AB sin theta. So when we are talking about the vector product or a cross product, it is a sin theta. It's a cross product means cos theta. Okay. Yeah, we'll see the questions also. Okay, so now this helps in determining work done, torque or other physical quantities. So when we are seeing the work done formula, no, like it is work done equals to Fs cos theta, no, F dot S, right? No, so when we are talking about the torque, force into like displacement into sin theta, Fr sin theta will say. Okay, now dot product. So the dot product is a way of multiplying two vectors that results in a scalar quantity. That is a number without direction, only the number, there is no direction for that. If A and B are two vectors and theta is the angle between them, then their dot product is given by AB cos theta, okay, and this is the thing. One thing you should keep in mind that I dot I will give 1, I dot j will give 0, I dot k will give 0, okay, and j dot j 1, j dot k 0. So keep in mind only I dot I, j dot j, k dot k equals to 1. Remaining everything will be 0. Okay. Why it is like cos theta, no. This is the x axis. If I keep one more vector in the x axis, angle between them is 0. Right, no? Cos 0, 1. Okay. When we take 90 degree, cos 90, 0. So I dot j will be 0. Okay. So I will be in x axis, j will be in y axis, angle between them is 90 degree, cos 90, 0. Okay. Simple, no? Okay. Here the question is given like a is equals to a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap, b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap. When I dot product means this one and I need to distribute to everything. I dot I 1, I dot j 0, I dot k 0. So no need to worry about that. I, j, k. That's it. So a1 b1 plus b2 a2 b2 a3 b3. Okay. Now commutative properties, like there will be some properties na in mathematics. So commutative property, a dot b equals to b dot a. Distributive property is a dot of b plus c is nothing but a dot b plus a dot c. So scalar output, result is a scalar, not a vector thing. Perpendicular vector, that is theta equals to 90 means a dot b will be equals to 0, cos 90 0, so total term will become 0. Parallel vector, theta is equals to 0 degree maximum value. Okay. Perpendicular means minimum value, maximum value. Okay. Now next is applications, like we will see in work, power and electric flux. Okay. In upcoming classes we will discuss about this. Okay. So example is there. So can you solve these examples now? A and B are vectors, angle between them is 90 degree. I need to find a dot b. A and B are vector, angle between them is 60 degree. I need to find a dot b, and A is given as 3i plus 4j, B is given as I plus 2j. A dot b. Give the answer for these questions. First one is 0. I can say directly angle between them is 90 degree, 0. Second one, a dot b is equals to 5 into 7 into cos 60, 1 by 2, 35 divide by 2, 17.5. That's it na. Now if I talk about the a and b, no. So a I into I, j into j. That's it. So 3i into I plus 4j into j. So 3 plus 4, 7. I dot I will be 1, no. I dot I is 1. 3 into 1, 3. 4 into 1, 4. J dot j, 1. Any doubt here? Sir, 8, no. So this is like 3 plus 8, 11. Yeah, 11 is the answer. Done? So next is a vector product. So vector product is a cross product, we will know, right? So the angle between them is angle is sin theta, AB sin theta will get. Okay. So next is like we need to use the right hand thumb rule first thing. Okay. If I talk about the vector I and vector j is there, okay. So resultant how means I dot I is 1, but here I cross I will be 0. Okay. Both are in the same parallel line. Sin 0, 0, no. Sin 0 is 0. Angle between them is here 90 degree. So resultant will be k. Keep in mind I, j, k. I to j, result is k. J to k, result is I. So it is in the clockwise direction. If you go in the anti-clockwise direction, minus. Okay. So I to k minus j. K to j minus I. Okay. So I vector to vector j. I to j vector. Result is k vector.
Minus k.
I to j, k. J to I minus k. Okay. Keep in mind, I am going from first vector to the second vector. Resultant will be the thumb. That is k. So this is my z axis. No. So k. Any doubts here? I'll give problem here. Yeah, before that commutative property. So commutative property is like minus will come. So A cross B equals to minus B cross A. I to j k, j to k minus k, no? Minus k only, no? Distributive property, A cross of B plus C is nothing but A cross B plus A cross C. Not associative property, like A cross of B cross C is not equals to A cross B equals to, I mean A cross of B cross of C. Okay, so A cross A equals to 0. I'll give problem here. Do this problem. Yeah, I'll teach you. Do this problem, will come. Which one, sir?
Normally, if we
Ah.
take, they will denote minus for j.
Minus for?
J.
For which one? Normally?
Cross product.
Cross product. No. See, like the resultant will be either plus or minus. Depends upon the direction we are going. Like I to j, if you are going, k will be the answer. That is plus k. From j to I minus k. Okay. I'll teach you one thing here. Like, yeah. I, j, k. This is the thing we know, no? This is in the positive direction. If you go in opposite direction, it is negative. Okay. And one more thing, like A is equals to 2 I plus 2j plus 3k. Okay. B is equals to 4i plus 5j plus 6k. This is the question they have given. Okay. If they are asking to cross product of these two vectors, what is the answer? A cross B I should do, na? So for this, a simple trick is there. What I should do is take a modulus like det over there, plus minus plus I cap, j cap, k cap. Okay, what are the numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Done. No. Now what you do is keep plus over here, open bracket and close the bracket, I vector. What is their symbol? Minus. So j vector.
Why that minus j? We can take
This is the formula, sir. Okay, this is the formula. So plus k vector. Okay. So if anything is added over like plus minus in maths, no, we used to do like 4 columns and 4 rows will be there. In that cases, plus minus, the formula is continuous like that. Yeah, sequence will be there. Here we are talking about only 3 vectors, no? So plus minus plus, that's it. Okay. Now if you want to find the I, no, close this and this. 2 6 are 12. Keep minus as it as like keep minus. Don't see the any symbols there. Now go for the next thing. 5 3s are 15. Okay. Understood? No. Now go for j cap. Close this and this. J I should close and the upper part I should close. 1 6 minus 12. Then for k, 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8. If minus is there, so it will be plus, no, minus of minus. So whenever you are writing 12, keep minus. Whatever symbols like symbol and magnitude coming, keep as it is. Okay, a sign and magnitude you should keep as it is. So here what is the answer? Minus 3i, minus of minus, no, plus 6j, then minus 3k. This is my answer. Right now? Any doubt here? Now do this question. Completed? We'll check the answers now. So the first one, what is the answer for the first one? Got the answer. What is the answer? 13i 13i plus 7j minus 6k. This is the answer you got. We'll check it now. So what I should do? I, j, k, which is plus, minus, plus. So what are the numbers? 2, 3, 1, 1 minus 1, 4. Should be equals to plus 3 4s are 12 minus 1 minus of minus 1. This is I. Minus 8 minus 1, 8 minus 1. That is j. Plus minus 2 minus 2 minus 3, which is k cap. Now the answer is 13i minus 7j minus 5k. Is the answer no? So 6. Yes na? You got 6 or 5?
Sir, but their minus of minus will be plus, right?
Which one, sir?
J.
Minus of minus. 8 minus 1, 7, no? Minus 1, no? Done? Okay. Now for the second question. Second question, what they asked, A cross B, no? A cross B equals to AB sin theta. What is A? 3I, no? 3I, 4J. Answer will be K. Angle is? So sin 90, 1. 3 4s are 12 K cap. 12 K cap is the answer. What about the third one? Like F cross R, no? F cross R I should take. So torque is nothing like here. Force and position vector they have given F cross R. So here they have given 5i plus 2j. What about K? I can take K as 0K. 0. 0 means obviously if I add, I will get the same value. Right now. So what I should do is same method. I, J, K. 5, 2, 0, 2, 3, 1.
Sir, if you take 0, the I value.
No, sir. Here if you consider plus 0, no. 5i plus 2j plus 0k means you will get only this answer only, no? Yes, no?
But when we are calculating like 3 into 0,
Yeah, 0 will come. 3 into 0, 2 into 1. Or 2 into 0, 5 into 1. Okay? Any doubts here in vectors? So two products, one is dot and one is cross. Dot is nothing but scalar. Cross is nothing but vector. Okay? I'll give some more questions here. So with this, no, we'll complete the basic mathematics. In next class we'll start with units and dimensions. Okay, see, find the angle between I plus j and I minus j. Okay, I'll give homework question, you need to complete it. Okay, question number 1, homework. Write down the question. This is the homework question.
90.
This homework slides you can take. This is the homework question, you should take it. We'll check it. Second question is, if a vector has a magnitude 10 units and makes 45 degree with x-axis, what is the unit vector that in that direction? Unit vector in that direction. So 10 units, no, 45 degree with x-axis, na. So what I should take? Components. So they are asking about unit vector in that direction in x-axis. So 10 cos theta, cos 45. So which means I cap, no, I cap will come. 10 cos 45 I cap. I will keep that as a vector. Unit vector means A cap is equals to
A square modulus A by and
Yeah.
square root
A by modulus A.
A by modulus A.
Right now? What about this third one? Two vectors are given, like added. Find the magnitude and direction. Two vectors added. So adding the vectors 3i minus j, 3i minus I, 2j plus 4j. I am adding the resultant, like I am getting the resultant vector and taking the magnitude, which is under root of I and j. And what is that, like direction of the resultant they are asking? Direction of the resultant vector. Next is a particle moves 10 meter east, then 10 meter north, which means going like this and then in this direction. Find the magnitude of the displacement. Magnitude of displacement in the sense shortest distance, na. So which will be my shortest distance? Resultant will be my shortest distance.
I request under root A square plus B square
Done.
plus 2 AB cos theta.
To AB cos theta. So cos 90 0. So we can get under root of A square plus B square. Take these questions first. Yes, I gave the hint also, na. So with this we'll conclude the basic mathematics. I need the answer for these 4 questions, okay, in the next class, right. So next is your chemistry class will be there. Okay guys. Exam paper. Yes.